Why your skin getting dark? Dark, dull and pigmented skin can be caused by a lot of factors such as overexposure to the sun, pollution, poor lifestyle choices, medical condition, or even stress. Fair and flawless skin complexion is a dream many girls have, and is no dearth of skin lightening creams and lotions out there in the market. But prolonged use of chemical-based cosmetic products can damage your skin. We share with you some tips to lighten your skin tone naturally and get that flawless look. However, you need to know that you cannot go from being dark-skinned to looking fair like it is portrayed in several ads selling fairness creams. You can definitely go back to your natural skin tone, which over time tends to darken due to factors like dust, pollution, etc. We list tips that will lighten your skin tone by bringing back your natural shade. Drink enough water. You must drink adequate amounts of water for hydrated and radiant skin. You should be drinking at least 8 ounces, that is 2 liters of water in a day, to keep your body hydrated. Drinking plenty of water will improve the texture and appearance of your skin by flushing out toxins. Get enough sleep. It is rather true that less sleep can mess with your skin and face, as your body needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep. You need to give enough time for your body to rest to bring out the inner glow. While you sleep, your body boosts blood flow to the skin, which means you wake up with a healthy glow. But if you do not get enough sleep, your complexion can look dull and lifeless, not mention the appearance of dark circles as well. Moisturize your skin. You need to moisturize your skin using a daily moisturizer or face oil 2 times in a day. Moisturizing skin will help you get rid of dry and flaky skin and make your skin appear radiant. The hydration will give an instant boost to the complexion of your skin. Wear sunscreen even when indoors. You need to protect your skin from the harmful radiations of the sun when you step out from home and even when indoors, as the rays can penetrate glass as well. Apply sunscreen lotion or spray generously all over your body, and carry sunglasses, cap or scarf to protect your skin from sun and pollution. Use cold rose water. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces redness of your skin. Spraying cold rose water on the face will leave your skin refreshingly fresh and also enhance the complexion. The best thing about using this home remedy is that you can use it any time of the day. Facial steam. This deep cleansing method will open your pores and clear all the dirt. But instead of using plain water, boil lemon peels in water and then use the water to steam your face. Do this for a couple of minutes and then pat your face dry with a soft wet towel. The vitamin C of lemon will enhance the color of your skin. Massage your face with olive oil and honey. To lighten your skin tone, massage your skin daily with olive oil and honey pack. Mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a teaspoon of honey and massage onto your skin for a couple of minutes. If you have oily skin, also add few drops of lemon juice. Wipe this pack off with lukewarm water. This home remedy will give you fairer complexion. Exfoliate your skin. You need to exfoliate your skin to get rid of the dead skin buildup every alternate day. Use a homemade exfoliating pack by combining 2 tablespoons of rice powder mixed with a little bit coconut oil. Rub this mixture on your skin to get rid of tan and improve your complexion.